What's up guys, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the lock screen password on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro for better privacy and security. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, launch the Mi Fitness application on your smartphone. After that, go to the device section. Make sure that your Smart Band 8 Pro or whatever Xiaomi smartwatch or fitness tracker you got is connected with your Mi Fitness application. Scroll down, go to the bottom, and here you will find an option called Set Password. Now just tap on this, and then on the next screen you will get the option to set up the PIN. By default it is not set. Just tap on this and it will ask you to enter the 6-digit PIN. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. Tap on this green button. Tap on next, confirm it one more time. After that, just tap on this green button here one more time, tap on next, and the PIN is set on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. So now if we have a look on our Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro here, you can see it is asking me to enter the PIN to unlock my device. So I can see the home screen, but I cannot go inside or do any kind of activity. So I will have to enter this lock screen PIN, and then only I will be able to use my Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, as you can see here. Once the screen goes off, and once again if I try to check my notification, for example, it won't allow me to check the notification because I will have to use the lock screen PIN to do any kind of activity on my Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.